Welcome to this 5-minute mindfulness meditation. Settle into a comfortable seat. You can sit on a chair or on a cushion. The main thing is for your back to be upright, but relaxed. You might find it useful to move your head a little bit side to side, front to back, before settling it into the center. Feel a lifting through the crown of your head and breathe in. And slowly breathe out. Relax your shoulders. So now you're feeling comfortable, we'll direct attention to the breath. And today, please take your attention specifically to the sensation of breath at the tip of your nose. Just observe the breath coming and going. You don't need to change your breath. It doesn't need to be deep or full. Just an easy inhale and exhale. And observe the sensation of cool air as it enters the tip of the nose, and then warm air as it goes out. Today, this is the focus of our attention. Observing the cool air as it comes in, and warm air as it goes out. Just observe this for the next few breaths. Cool air in, sensation of warm air out. And for this meditation today, I'd like to add just one more point of focus. To keep your mind anchored on the breath, you'll observe that cool air coming in, the warm air going out, and then the short pause between the breaths, between the exhale and inhale. There's the cool air coming in, tickle of warm air, exhale, and then a short pause. And some days this pause is just a tiny moment. Other days it may expand a little bit. Resist the temptation to manipulate it, to try to make it happen. But feel unhurried about how the breath is moving. Take your time. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your face is relaxed. Your breath is easy. Now, if thoughts come into your mind, which they tend to do, that's okay. Just notice that thoughts have come in and come back to your breath. You don't need to engage with them or do anything particular with them today. Just notice the thought, let it go, come back to your breath over and over again if needed. We'll sit for a couple of minutes now, just observing the breath and coming back to the breath. Cool inhale, warm exhale, pause. And just starting to let your attention wander. Expand your awareness out, taking in the space around you. As if you could reach your awareness out to the corners of a room. Take a deep breath in. And exhale fully. Bring your hands up to a prayer position in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking time to slow down and be present. Together, let's take another breath in and out. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.